Hey guys, how you doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So here's a quick update for the DMT and Dominator bots. So 15-minute DMT, you can see we're still on this long trade. Bitcoin's still moving up. 15-minute, the DMT sell line coming up, probably gonna settle about under 7,100. So that would be where it would look to take a sell trade. 25-minute Dominator got us in a good trade today, right on this candle here. So this is where it bought, and as you can see, the market pretty much moved up from there. If we get the measuring tool, it dipped down maybe 0.5%, and then pretty much straight up 2.5%. Yeah, 2.5%. So that's all good. It's currently sat at 1.75% gain. So yeah, good DMT, good Dominator trade there on the 25-minute. We did look at this one yesterday, how we did come down, but obviously didn't make much of a substantial move. Ethereum 15-minute DMT. Yeah, Ethereum is looking pretty strong today. Ethereum, Bitcoin's up at the moment, currently 2.34%. And Ethereum is up 7.26%, so showing its higher beta there to the Bitcoin price. So yeah, so that's it's good to see. Good to see some strength in the altcoins too. Yep. It's just obviously when we see strength in the altcoins, then we know for certain we're not just seeing Bitcoin going up because people are taking the money out of the alts. So there's actually money capital going into the alts, so that's great. Yeah, so the 15-minute Ethereum is still obviously in a buy from when it took the buy here. So you can see that would have been a pretty great buy. Instantly went about 5% up, and if you were still holding the trade, you would be, well, you got up to over 12%, and then you currently sat at 11%. So the 15-minute DMT was a fantastic buy. I think similarly the 25-minute Ethereum buy. Yeah, the initial buy missed the start of that pump. So yeah, then went to a sell, went to a buy, didn't really do much between that sell and buy, as you can see. But then the second buy that you got, buy signal here, 25-minute Dominator, pretty similar to Bitcoin with the slight dip. Obviously Ethereum's moving around a bit more than Bitcoin, so the dip was 1.5% as opposed to 0.5%. But then obviously your gain was then 7.43%. So 25-minute Dominator and Ethereum also getting a great trade. And then yeah, like you see with these trades, you get the sell signal. If you take the sell signal, the market doesn't really move anywhere, and then you get out the trade just for a small loss, flip long, and then the market then moves up. So that's what trading is about. It is about taking your small losses, but then obviously getting your big gains. So there you go, that's worked perfect. So yeah, so there we go, that's the end of today's update. I'm still working the short position. I obviously told you guys in the group, I was working shorts from just over 7,190 and 7,290 was where my ladder was. I missed the 290 by about $5, but hey, you never know, still might go up there. Not that I want it to go up there, I want it to go down, but because I'm short, but not got the whole ladder filled. But yeah, I spoke about this before. I'd rather not get my whole ladder filled. We go down and have to sell on the way down if I'm shorting, or similarly the same if I'm buying. I'd rather not have a long ladder filled and then just expect the market to reverse. Then I'd rather like get one, maybe two of the ladders rungs filled, and then have to add the rest as the market is actually going up, because that's just a better, safer way to trade. So anyway, yeah, so remember that none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Everyone should do your own research, and I'll be back with some more videos tomorrow, guys.